Welcome to Cattle Lab's How to series. Today, we'll explore how CrewAI automates marketing research, strategy development, and content creation using AI-driven agents. By integrating real-time insights and automation, CrewAI enhances decision-making, optimizes targeting, and boosts ROI, delivering data-backed strategies for business growth. This diagram illustrates CrewAI's automated marketing workflow. Users input business details and marketing requirements, triggering the crew initialization phase, where AI-driven agents begin operations. The lead market analyst gathers competitor insights and industry trends. The chief marketing strategist then formulates a tailored marketing strategy. Finally, the creative content creator generates engaging ad copies and campaign ideas using AI-powered content tools. The system then delivers refined marketing copies ready for execution. Let's explore how this script automates AI-driven marketing using CrewAI. It begins with Main.py, which loads environment variables, initializes agents for research, strategy, and content creation, and processes inputs like business domain and project description to generate data-driven marketing plans for Cattle Labs. Next, agents.py defines the lead market analyst for competitor research, the chief marketing strategist for planning, and the creative content creator for content generation, working sequentially to optimize workflow. Moving to tasks.py, it structures the workflow into key tasks: market research, project understanding, strategy creation, campaign ideation, and content generation. The tools.py file integrates essential tools: Serperative tool for real-time market insights and Scrape website tool for competitor data extraction. Now, let's run the script in terminal. Agents initialize, perform market analysis, generate insights, and create marketing strategies, all automated, reducing manual effort. Finally, the system presents AI-generated marketing copies based on campaign ideas, providing ready-to-use content for execution. Its use cases include marketing strategy development, where CrewAI uses AI and market insights to build data-driven plans, for example, a detailed strategy for a product launch with audience targeting and messaging. It also enables campaign idea generation by suggesting creative, goal-aligned marketing ideas like social media campaigns with clear impact. Additionally, CrewAI streamlines content creation, automatically generating tailored ad copies for different platforms. Stay tuned for more tutorials on Gen AI. Thank you for watching.